¡Viva la raza!
Alright, now I brought this so me and Robert can try. Check it out. I went to 7-Eleven. We got the Doritos Fiery Mango. And then Robert likes Sour Patch. So we're gonna see how the Oreo with Sour Patch inside tastes like.
Ready.
Let's do the Dorito first. Baja Fiery Mango. You do like the Mountain Dew, but let's see how this tastes. If it's gonna be spicy. If it's gonna have a taste of mango. Ready?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yes.
Smell it first. Alright. I grab one, you grab one. You ready? You broke my chip. You broke my chip, Robert.
Okay, that's funny. That's funny.
That was a blooper. Say another one. Alright. Balloon. Let's ready? Over here. You tell me, you like it or no, you don't like it?
Oh, that's spicy.
Really? It's not spicy.
Eat this.
Well, he thinks it's spicy. Not bad. It tastes weird at first, but then it's good. Not bad.
Okay. Let's have to take it. It has to go along. I'm ready.
Not good, not bad, not bad. I give it from 1 to 10, I give it a 7. What do you give it?
See.
A 3? Oh my god! Alright, for the Oreos,
I'm looking for that. I eat a lot of Oreos.
limited edition, so these are hard to get. It's only for a limited time, then they're gonna go away. Check it out. Look, it has the little, it's all colorful little dots. And the inside also, it has the Sour Patch. Ready?
I can smell it. You can smell like the Sour Patches.
Oh yeah, it does kind of smell a little bit. Come over here on the camera.
Okay.
Alright, it does smell like it. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go. It does taste like Sour Patch.
I can really taste it. I can kind of taste it.
Get on the camera. What?
I can like taste like the Sour Patches and the Oreo.
Yeah. It has like a fruity aftertaste. It's like fruity. What is this? You like it?
Yeah.
So from 1 to 10, what do you give the cookies?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
They're good.
I give it an 8 out of 10 as well. So you're saying that these taste better than this? Alright, buddy. Too spicy. Cool. So, there you go. Thumbs up from Robert, the Oreo Sour Patch. Thumbs down for the Doritos Baja Fiery Mango. I think it's okay. I do think this is better, but I think it's okay. You're gonna get the hint of mango and the little spice, but it's okay. All right, buddy, good job. Woo! Okay, so first, I found these bags of Doritos. Is Baja Fiery Mango. It's kind of like the Dr. Pepper, the Mountain Dew, Baja Blast. Well, Fiery Mango. That's making you think. What? I want you to try it and tell me what you think.
I don't like to try new stuff.
Huh?
I don't like to try new snacks.
What? You never know, you might like it.
What's
If you don't, you don't. It's always good to try new things. That's what you always tell me.
food? This is like weird snacks.
And then you tell me from 1 to 10. Me and Robert already tried it. Smell it. How does it smell?
Let's go Doritos.
Okay, now try it. Robert said it's kind of spicy, but I don't think so. I taste mango. And a little spice, but not really. Bite it! You're so scared.
Show it. Show it.
What do you think? You want to spit it out?
Okay, then come to the sink. The sink is here.
Hey, don't spit it out on the freaking pad. What?
That shit tastes like soda and sweet mango with spicy shit.
From 1 to 10, what do you give it?
That's gross. I don't fucking recommend that shit.
You
1 to 10, 1 to 10.
0.
Zero.
It's like crap.
It's not that bad.
It's like you fucking mix everything together.
Okay, now the limited edition Oreo Sour Patch.
What do you
Again, 1 to 10.
what do you like trying new like weird?
Smell it? Does it smell like Sour Patch or like gummy?
I smell the sour patches.
Okay, now try it.
Bite it. Eat it already.
Come on, put it together. Try it. It has little candy spots.
Oh god, this is gonna hurt my tongue.
Oh my god, you're so dramatic. Robert liked that one. He gave it an 8 out of 10. Well, he likes Sour Patch, so.
And I like Oreos.
And he likes Oreos. So two things that he likes. That's why he gave it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Put the tooth inside
What do you think? Does it taste like Sour Patch?
Did you dislike it or like it?
What do you think?
Which is better than that shit?
From 1 to 10, what do you give it?
Like a 5, but yeah.
A 5? So that means you don't like it.
Well, I do like it, but es que sí te tiene como like a little bit of sour, but not as much as the candy. Why could you?
So
But I don't want that shit.
you recommend this, but not this. Thumbs up, thumbs down. There you go.
¡Viva la raza!